Okay, now coming to English media. Now coming to English media, addressing this very issue. The reason why we've met the Honorable Governor is once again on the demand that the incidents what are taking place in Andhra Pradesh, wherein the law and order situation is drastically dropped. Such ghastly incidents have taken place in the recent past. We have represented to the Honorable Governor to press for CBI inquiry into the latest killings. We have highlighted two such incidences what took place very recently. One so much so on 29th April this month, wherein Anantapur, a local YSRCP leader was literally called to the MRO office, where government offices were being used as venue to kill people. He was literally called to the MRO office by none other than the MRO office themselves. The RI makes a phone call, asks the leader to come to the MRO office, and in that very MRO office, he was brutally murdered. While the police station happens to be right beside the MRO office, everybody is spectators to it. Right in the MRO office, making use of government officials to kill people. This happened on 29th of April, while on 31st March, exactly 1 month before to this incident, one similar incident took place, wherein one by name Vijay Bhaskar Reddy was brutally killed. He was also a single window president, where he was also called by the single window CEO to come to the office, and in that very office he was asked to resign, and because he did not resign, he was brutally killed in the same very government office. Both these incidents, unfortunately, the irony is, after Chandrababu Naidu became the Chief Minister, 8 murders took place only in Anantapur district. And the irony is, our state DGP also happens to be from Anantapur district. A DGP who is supposed to have retired, in 2 months' time, was given extension of 2 years, and he was made DGP. And after this very man was made the DGP, 8 murders took place in Anantapur district. I mean, while he happens to be from Anantapur district. Chandrababu Naidu, the Chief Minister, is blatantly making use of the entire government machinery, starting from DGP to SIs. He is making use of this entire government machinery to eliminate people. The DGP, whenever he visits Anantapur, TDP leaders visit him. They call him Mama, they call him Chinnana, they call him Anna, as though he is very close relative of theirs. This DGP, whenever he visits Anantapur, goes for breakfast to the local minister's house. This is what has been happening in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Government machinery, government offices are blatantly used by our Chief Minister to eliminate people. This is the request what we have given to the Honorable Governor, requesting him for a CBI probe, and we are also giving this very copy to the entire media, and we request this entire media to kindly put in your focus, kindly highlight these issues, so that this